Dun, 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 dun. All right. Let's see what's going on. What's going on, people? All right. Oh wow, there's a larger delay now in the stream. Let's see. Yeah, it's like a 20-second delay. What? What? Alright, whatever. We'll just roll with it. Alright, where are we? How to continuously rotate. Yeah, that one's done. Alright, we'll take a look at that in a minute. But here we are with the game. Boom. Alright, okay. That's good enough. Let's look at our list of things we need to complete. Countdown music. Da, da, da. Three, two, one, countdown. Sound effect. There we go. What is this B, bro? What's the one we just downloaded? freesound.org, huh?
Five, four, three, two, one, go. Stop. Correct. 5, 4, 3,
10, 9,
Okay, let's download this one. I'm gonna add it to our little directory here. Whack-a-mole, whack-a-mole. Should we convert it to OGG again? Online converter. Bum, 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 bum. Downloads. Ooh, man, it'd be so fire. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so we have countdown. So let's add audio in here. And that where's that gonna go? So we need that to play when the game begins, right? Pop out. Nope, it says start game here. I guess probably in the countdown function because that's where it actually counts down, right? Which is where here. Okay, that works. Doom, 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 doom. All right, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's another thing ticked off the box. Man, if I could rap, I'll rap right now. This beat is fire, bro. Countdown sound. No, we're not gonna do that. That's annoying actually. Generic background game music. Yeah, let's see if they got it here.
Three, two, one.
That one might be cool, huh? What do you think? All right, maybe the game music would be cool, but yeah, we'll leave that for now. All right, whatever. We'll say that one is done. I do want to do this round space game. Yeah, it wouldn't make sense to have a leaderboard without having like some kind of difficulty in the game, right? All right, okay. Who's in the chat, by the way? What's going on? Let's do a drop. Okay. Okay, we're gonna initialize round to 0. I don't think I even use most CTR anymore, do I? What is this? I think we can just get rid of that. The game will still function. Yeah, I'll go commit first 2, right? Follow back, my man. Let's go. I don't know if the thing is updated, if the game itself is updated. So we can play live. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a round variable, and then we're gonna up the round every time the start game. Every time the start game is clicked, because what happens is at the end of What triggers a start game? Start game is triggered by clicking on the button, right? I feel like I need another button to finish the game. Okay, we can get rid of that one too. Toggle hammer. I don't think we even used that. I can go. Yeah, we can have a next round. When's that gonna get called? Yeah, pop out. It's gonna do all of that. We also need two variables, I think. We need a round variable. Well, that's the round, right? We also need a... Okay, so we have the score variable, which is going to track this score. Say total score. Oh, let's not change that. Where am I using score right now? Okay, that can go away. Score plus plus. Okay, not here, not there, not there, not there. Nada, nada. So really, I'm just using it here, right? Total score. Yeah, okay. Let's change that to total score and then let round score equals 0. So we're gonna get two different variables there. So current score, we're gonna change that to total score plus plus. Score counter, total score. All right, let's see. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6. Well played. Get ready for the next round. Okay, so we have 6. So that should be the totals. Filter row resource. I don't know what that is. Total score. It's not defined. That's weird. It's weird that it says it's undefined. Yeah, this can go away. We don't need this right now. Console log. Hey yo. Hey, what's up, man? Welcome back. Where is it created? I literally just created it. right here. So I want to keep track of two things now. Whoa, 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 whoa! What's happening? Total score and round score. I don't know why it's saying undefined. So it's out there, and then I'm assigning total score to. Wait, where am I assigning total score? Right here, right? So total score plus plus. I just changed the name score to total score. That's all I did. So I mean, this should give me 0 right now. Could just write out. Oh, because of this, because we got inside this thing. I think that's why. Because we added this this thing here, so no one can access it. Yeah, that's it. That's it, man. You made my game so secure that I couldn't access it. Well, I can access it now. So if I start the game, I should icon. I don't know what that is. Favicon not found. Yeah, sure, that's no problem. Wait. Ooh. Come on, let me score something. Oh, bro, I'm gonna lose the game and I'm gonna go single. There you go. All right, cool. So now that we have the thing, we got 1. So if I now do total score, it should give me a 1. Yeah, that was a problem. Oh yeah, the console. Yes, yeah. I was trying to check here. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it off for now because it won't even let me debug my own code, man. What's going on? We made it too secure. We need like special admin access. One minute. Okay, so I want to keep track of 2 things. I want to track the total score, and I want to track the round score. Right? I want to see what round it is. How do you do that? Okay. I guess, yeah. Next round. Here we're gonna go round score plus plus. So whenever this function is invoked or called, we're gonna score the round 1-1. What's gonna trigger the next round though, right? Yeah, I know. I have an idea. Okay, well, okay. If we think about it, when is the next round, right? Next round is an option if round score is greater than 0. So if anything, basically, if you can hit a mode at least once, then you're eligible to start the next round. So that means we need to keep track of the round score and the total score. How are we gonna do that? Does the total score reset right now in each round? Let's see. This favicon is annoying, but whatever. That sounded so funny. Okay, so we got 4 right now, right? I don't think it resets. So does it reset? Did we set it to reset somewhere? In HTML 0, I think we didn't. I didn't want it to reset before. So now when I start again, yeah, it doesn't reset. Okay, cool. So we can. No, it does. It does reset at the start. Okay. Come on, man. Where is it? Where's the moles at? Alright, so that should be 5. Oh no, it does. It doesn't clear. Only the thing clears. Okay. I know what to do. I know what to do. What are we gonna do? I just had a thought and I forget. I know what to do. I do know what to do. I know what to do. Yes, I do. We're gonna plus the thing, and then we're gonna reset the total score. Where do we do that though? Where's our score? Oh yeah. So total score. No, it's gonna be round score plus plus. No, it's not. It's total score plus plus. round score also plus plus. Score counter is gonna equal to, yeah, we can assign the total score. That also means that I do not want to reset it here. Function pop out. Yeah, I don't want to reset that. Right, and okay, do you know what? What we're gonna do is we're gonna reset. No, that can go away. That can go away. I need to reset the round score on each. Okay, and the way that I can do that is we're gonna have some kind of if statement. So I think somewhere here. Pop out. Right, I think somewhere here. If save that. If round score is greater than 0, meaning you hit at least one thing. Probably next round. Where is it gone? Right, next round. Otherwise, do nothing. I don't know if that logically makes sense to me, but I may have missed something. Man, this game is capable of falling fun now. Studuja, could you imagine though, like I could code this when you saw me 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago? Like, I can't believe like we actually coded this. Alright, that's the problem here. Okay, so we got 7. Okay, let's quickly check. What's round score right now? Round score. What's 7? Total score. Spinner journey. Oh yeah, for sure, man. For sure. I still can't believe like I wrote most of this code. It's insane to me right now. We have a bug. It keeps spinning. We've got a bug. Keep spinning, bro. We have another bug. Oh, these edge cases, man. All right. 7. I want to keep track of this. Total score, round score. So when I start again, so total score should be. Oh, we didn't reset. What the? Go down, man. Oh, there you go. It went down. All right. Okay. So it was 7-7. Round score is now 10. Total score is now 9. What? What do you mean? Oh, I guess I gotta go round score is 0 here and then round plus plus. Let's try again. Ah, I'm missing it. Come on. This, man, I'll probably get bored of this sound soon, but right now it's pretty fun. It's good. Ow. Alright, total score is 4, round score is 4, round is 0. Perfect. So we start again. So 4, 4, and 0. Alright. Okay, so it's 440. Total score is now 7. Round score is 3. Boom! We're good. We're good. We're good. So now we can keep track of that. See how. Alright, let's do one more. See if we can break it. Nope. No. Ah. Score was 12. Round score was 2. Round is okay. Cool. All right. So we got those tracked, right? See how many rounds you can go, what your total score is, and what was your round score. Round score is only there to be able to progress to the next round. All right, that's fine. So when you go to the next round, we do that. All right, so that's easy. That's the easy stuff done, right? So now the problem is, how are we gonna do? I need the speed to get faster. So as you progress through, how do you make it progress faster? So one, I need to keep track of the rounds, and as rounds go up, the speed goes up. The speed that right now is controlled by, what's it controlled by? The mole speed, right? Which we, yeah, random mole speed is this number here. Is this thing here needs to be a variable, and that variable needs to be. Do you know what we could do? I think we might be able to do this. So if we say this is the round num, or I'm just put in round, and this could be the round, right? And we're gonna initialize round to be, oh crap, we can't do round. Whatever. Let starting round equals 1, and then this could be the starting round. Yeah, it doesn't really make sense. I know starting round doesn't make sense, but eventually it will make sense. Is this still gonna work without having a thing? Okay, it still works for now. It's very fast because we put in 1, right? Oh wow. Oh wow. 1 is very tough. I don't think anyone can beat that level. Come on. Bro, I can't even get 1. Okay. So I think we can pass in the round in here. Do you know what we can do? We can be very clever and just assume. Just assume we're gonna start with a round. Let's say 5 was the thing earlier, right? Yeah, 5 was pretty easy. Let's say 7 just to make it more fun. 7, and then we're gonna round, starting round minus minus. Once the thing is run, once the next round is run here. Yeah. Right, and then if I go just to see if that works, if I do console log this, that might just work. Because in that way we're, dude, that might just be it. I don't know. Let's see. I need to get at least 1, and then we can test this out. I can't even get one. Do you know what's annoying is this console is blocking my view. Alright, let's put it to right. There we go. There we go. I still can't hit it though. Oh, whoa. Dude, why so far? Wait, didn't we set starting round to be easy? Why is it so hard? 7. Starting round. What? Let's say that again. Starting round is 10. Some reason it doesn't like it. Some reason it doesn't like it. Hey, look at that. Starting run is undefined. That was our problem. Starting run is undefined. Why are you undefined? Starting run should be this thing here. Oh, because I did this. Oh my god. I was meant to do minus minus. Sorry. There you go. We found the bug. Should now be 10. Still undefined? Are you kidding me? Why are you undefined now? Starting round 10. Hang on. Yeah. Okay, it's not undefined there. So this here should be interesting. Also, I was gonna get rid of. I'm gonna mute the sounds for now while we build. I don't understand why. Hang on. Dude, it's so fast I can't hit it. Just gonna assume that someone's gonna come here. Come on. Oh, I missed it. What? How did I miss that? There you go. All right, we got one. There you go. There we go. Went up by 3 though. So now it should be 9. Okay, there you go. We hit twice. Yeah, 7 is 9. Great, that works fine. Okay. Center is 8. Okay. I think the problem is this thing here that it's returning under. Oh, wait. Wait. Is that what I did? No, that's not what I did. We're just gonna call it speed. I'm stuck on a bug to take a nap. Alright, man. Sounds good. I'm stuck on a bug here too. Have good sleep, man. It's probably like 5 a.m. for you now. What did I do wrong? Boydzy, yo, what's up, man? How's it going? Dude, it's so fast I can't hit it. All right, let's try and figure this out. Why is speed is 10, right? But for some reason I cannot pass that speed into a function. Why would that be? Is it because of why would that be? Why can't I pass that variable in here? It's highlighting it, right? It's in the it's here somewhere, meaning should be accessible to everything. I mean, round score works because I can do a plus plus, but it doesn't let me pass it as an argument. Let's Google it. Pretty good, just stuck on the dumbest thing. Oh yeah, what's going on? What you building? That's me all day long, man. Always stuck on some dumb thing. What am I looking at? JavaScript cannot pass variable to function undefined. Cannot pass variable to function. Oh, it's actually a thing, huh? I'm taking a class for JavaScript, but I need to use a for loop to somehow print out data from an array. Okay, is this a beginner level stuff? I might be able to help out. If you want me to take a look, I'm happy to take a look. If you could, that'd be great. I'll try, man, dude. I'm only 34 days into JavaScript too. I'm completely new as well. But yeah, we can try. We can try and take a look. The easiest way might be to send it to me on Discord. And if you put it in JavaScript, I don't know if anyone's online. Other people can take a peek as well. We got some pros in there, but I don't know if anyone's online. Been working on a building adventure game for like 13 hours straight. Okay. Damn. If you're building a game, it might be more complicated. I just added it in the chat. The link by Nightbot. Again, no promises, man. Sounds like it could be a complicated thing. If you're building a game, I'm building Whack-A-Mole, which is like the easiest game you could imagine. And some reason I cannot pass. JavaScript global variable argument as function argument. How can I just go into the fun box? You mean like this? I have no idea what you mean by fun box. You can do it. Oh, you can do a triple. I think it's a triple backtick, was it? And then code JavaScript. Wait, I think you do 6 of these, and then code. Oh man, I forget. Hang on. Hang on. Add JavaScript code to Discord. Oh, just single quote, one quote. Let's see. So boom. Come on. Screen's too big. Is that it? Yeah, it's not as good, but there's a way to say. I think it might be the triple dots, and then you say code JS or something like that. Or you just type in JS. There you go. But maybe I'd pass JavaScript. instead of JS. Oh, there you go. Yep, that's how you do it. So, okay, let's retrace my step, right? Let's go ahead and delete that because we don't need that. Okay, yeah. So 3 ticks, JavaScript, and then Shift Enter, paste your code. Shift Enter, 3 ticks. Boom. Yep. Dun, 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 dun. But why can't I use? Oh, there you go. Why a variable defined globally is undefined? Yeah, this is someone on JS feature called hosting function undefined. In this code, when defined function compiler looks at the function body, then it's used to declare variable name. JavaScript hosts the variable and function declaration by moving K. Because the hosting code is rewritten to be following. The covers the global variable for completeness. So yeah, maybe I just go in here, speed equals speed. I don't know, speed equals mole speed. Maybe mole speed. I don't know if that's gonna work. The speed's already undefined, right? And we're gonna console log the mole speed. Let's see what this gives us. Speed is 10. Well, I hit it. There you go. All right, so we can go down to round 2. We'll start again. Okay, it's coming too early. Speed is 9. Okay, fantastic. Fantastic. We fixed it. All right, let's take a look at code. I heard someone type something. All right. Okay, this looks like could be complicated, man. What we got here? Document ready function character. $O situation is the dollar. All situations dot hide. Function adventure format. It's in the character info function. All right. And what do you need to do again? You want to find a loop. Somehow print out data from an array. So in here you go I is 0, I is less than character to length. What's character? Character is an empty array. Whoa, you must have pushed something in there. Function hashtag adventure form on submit. Adventure form submitted. Adventure form submitted. Event. The name is, man, this looks like code I've never seen. What is all this dollar stuff? Character push name, character push color. You're pushing the name and color. Okay. And then you're calling calling it. So once it pushes, it's jQuery. Okay, yeah, I haven't studied. I'm just doing vanilla JS, but we should be able to figure it out. Let's just see if anyone's around as well. Hey, can I do a here in this one? Oh crap! Let's see if anyone's around. Um. Okay, what do you want to print out then from here? What do you want to add to the I need to use a for loop to somehow print out the data from arrays. Well, I wanted to head off, but might take a look. It's yeah, that might be a question. We're looking to Voidsy man. What's the question, bro? Could you type it in? We're looking to print out data from the character info function from the yeah, print out the name and favorite color. All right, let's see. Bucks, I don't know if you're on the stream right now, but he is solid, man. He knows what he's doing. He'll have an answer for you for sure. Luminosity, what's going on, man? I haven't seen you in a while. But hey, what's up, Aurora? What's going on, man? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, we have a question from Voidsy, and I'm looking at it. The issue is I've never used jQuery. Hey, what's up, Marble? We have a bunch of people in chat. Anyone here can help out now, but Aurora knows what he's up to. Thanks for the follow, man. Thanks for the follow. Yeah. So Aurora, we need to print out items. So we got a for loop. Omar, you still here too? Oh no, it's not for me. It's for Voidsy. Voidsy. Just trying to see if we can help each other out. Omar, I thought you were driving, bro. What are you doing still up? Get some sleep, man. You need to get some sleep. This jQuery thing is confusing, huh? You summon me, bro. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Okay, I need to use the hair command on special occasions only. Then, all right, that's gonna be a rule. Do not use the hair command unless it's life or death. um, oh my! While you're here, though, I built this thing. I'll show you if you're still watching. While we're looking at the other question, where's it gone? We got a 3, 2, 1 sound now. Calling all stations. Yeah. I need to be careful, man, because that thing is like, you know what I mean? Like with big powers come big responsibilities and all that good stuff. I called it, and I think it was 9. Everyone jumped on. We got 9 people all of a sudden. Oh wait, I muted this. Unmute. Let's start again. So basically, it does a 3, 2, 1 now, right? And then when you whack it, I think you were here for the whacking sound. It's just the ow thing. Yeah, that's where we're at right now. Yeah. Aurora, do you understand the question? What Boyd's trying to do? I think he just wants to print out this. Love the result. Thanks, man. We're almost there. I think next step now is I'm now working on building the we're building this thing now, the local storage and score log. Actually, no, I'm building the round based game right now, which I think I've actually done. I think that's complete. You love that sound. Okay, so this question, I think all you do is I0 less than character length. Console log character I. All right, where should we test this? Should we test it here somewhere in my code? All right, let's comment everything out. Let's paste this code in here. Save it. And then you want me to console log the I in here, right? Is that what I'm doing? Dollar is not defined, 123. What? I don't know what that means. Oh, yeah. Omar, I think you just need to be sure that there won't be more than 2 more on screen. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're gonna make sure that fix that. That one, make sure there isn't more than 2 modes on screen. Yeah, that might be a thing. Yeah, jQuery run. How can we run jQuery then? Run jQuery online. JS Fiddle, probably. Fiddle. jQuery. So JavaScript. How do we JavaScript? Just pure JS. Look at Discord. Oh, sick. All right. So that goes in. Obviously, it goes in here somewhere, right? Or should we add it to the jQuery is almost a dead project. Don't need it anymore. Okay. Wait, what's going on? Why is it not? Oh, I'm missing the thing. Okay. Is this not going to work? Still not defined. It's a typo. Okay. And it goes in the head, huh? It's not in the. Okay. All right. Okay. So now if I run character info, it's probably going to be empty because there's nothing in the array right now. Character info is not defined. Why not defined? Oh, it's character. Because it's character. There's no such thing as character info. Oh, hang on. I wanted to run character info. What's it going to take in though? It needs to take in character somewhere, right? It's linked to HTML. So we need to enter something because right now character should be an empty array. What? Dude, what is this? Is jQuery messing with something? Because I can't even. Okay, well, okay, I'm missing the HTML, so it doesn't make sense. So let's just say, let's just assume it's 123, right? Because without having HTML, I probably won't be able to. Oh man. I don't know how to troubleshoot this because without the HTML, I might not be able to run it. It won't even let me run character. Okay, that's the HTML. All right. Okay, that helps. All right, I'm gonna comment all of that out. Let's type in, boom, refresh. Okay, name void Z, color red, submit. Oh man, all these errors. Continue. Go inside, look for food. What? Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. Oh, this one here. Okay. What projects have you made to learn this dreaded language? Bro, don't ask me, man. I don't know. Foitsy, he loves the color green. Something's not found. Index.html. What's not found? What is it not finding? Character color green. Script.js not found. Okay. Script. That's because. Okay, I'm not. I'm not. Okay, mine should be app.js, right? Okay, let's change it to app.js. Okay, that should work now. Cool. There we go. Name. You're going indifferently. Right. Yeah. 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 I finally got to that. Void Z is Aurora. Oh, I can't pronounce your name, man. Aurora. That's a color, right? Like Aurora rings. Okay. 123. I don't know what that is. Void Z Aurora. And then if I do character info is not defined. We're getting close. Well, 123 is because I put this in there. Okay, let's get rid of that. We can get rid of that now. Void C Aurora. Okay. So that's what that does. Function. Okay, that's what adds it in. Show you this is how you push the name and color. And then you run character info. Console.log character to position I. So character to position 0 should be the reason why it is not defined is the way the function presented is not global. The function is defined in another context, so you cannot call it in your console. Right. Okay. Man, how do you see that so fast? It's because everything is within this thing. That's the problem. Yeah. Okay. Do you need me or nah, man, dude? I didn't even expect you to come back. You need to drive to the airport, man. Um, thanks for hanging out, man. Seriously, go sleep because I don't know how you're gonna drive with no sleep. Appreciate you coming on short notice though. Really do, man. I didn't expect people to show up. I thought like maybe one person's online. We had a bunch of people jump on. So thanks again, bro. Catch you tomorrow, or just get some sleep afterwards. Same goes for all the script. It is defined inside a JavaScript or anything, so you'll not be able to call it free console. If you want to test stuff, you need to modify scripts. So no, bro. Bring 11 a.m. 4 hours later. Okay, but you need to sleep now though. If you need to go in 4 hours. Okay, something's happening in Discord. What's happening? Have we got some answers? Okay, what's this? Bye bye. See you later, man. Anyway, we got an output. Okay. So just put on this so you can start a new project with them. Is that gonna help right now? If I do a new project? I think we got it. We got that there. But I'm repeating myself. Probably change. Net Ninja. All right, I will. I will. It's on the list. 100% will. Yeah, the issues. Can I just get rid of this for now? I don't know why this is there. If I get rid of that, it might fix the problem. We can call it locally in the thing, right? Oh, that destroys everything. Maybe not. So character at the position 0. It's gonna be void C. There you go. All right. I mean, yeah, that's fine then. So if I now run character info, yeah, it's console login. Oh wait. So that's all we need to do then. It's working. Let's add actually let's add a bunch more stuff. Continue, go inside, walk into the cave. The reason for document ready is the same for you. Gotcha. That's the jQuery version of it. Very, very cool. Critique. Let's say blue. All right. So if I have character, oh, it doesn't continuously store it, man. Awesome, man. Aurora just full of all the info. Okay, so it's storing. I think it's doing fine. The problem is I don't know if you can have multiple things in the array because for some reason I can't have the second one until I play this game. Look for food, eat the berries. How do I go back to start and start again? Or can only one person play the game? Because if it is, then it hides the form and it returns the eye. So it's working. Yeah, it returns Pratik blue. I'm not sure what to put in the folder for this to restart. Just refresh. Okay. I mean, what you wanna show on the page? Because right now, I think what it does is it hides the form. And what do you want it to show? Right. Void C red. So once you submit form, you want it on the page. Okay. So I think for that, what you're gonna need is somewhere here. This is me guessing, right? I think this is what you need. You need p tag id equals name, and then another p tag id equals color. Never spend any minutes on it if you want to learn JS, learn React. All right, 100%. I hear you. I hear you, man. Okay. So I think, and then I think all we do, I don't know if we can do the get element by ID in jQuery too, but what I would do is document dot get element by ID name dot inner HTML equals Ooh, that's interesting. What's I? I is both the things, huh? Character I. Can I do 0? I don't know if that's an array. I'm just guessing right now. So what happens if I do that? So Aurora. Oh, we're changing the styles. Okay, it's giving us V and O. It's giving us V and O because I put the 0th position. So what we need to do instead is we just need to go. I think we just wait. Why did it give me V and O? Let's try that again. Foytzy, Aurora. What's character? Character is Voidsy and Aurora, right? So yeah, character 0, character 1. That's what we need to do. 0 is the name. So why are we looping through it too? If there's only going to be one thing in it, or we could go 0 I1. That might help too. So Voidsy, Aurora, A and U though. What's the difference for jQuery? By ID, I'll use $enter ID here. Okay, interesting. Even new version of Bootstrap v5 is only jQuery right now. He has one array storing two different information. You can learn when you need to code with a double structure. Best way to loop over the array with step size of 2 and loop access the array by INI++ indices. Yeah, why are you using just one thing also? Character. So I need to do a double loop. Eventually going to add a lot more to the form. Okay. So Aurora is saying right now he's got one array storing two different information. You can loop over it, but need to cope with the double structure. Best way, loop over the array with step size of 2. Step size of 2. I've never done a step size. Okay, that's interesting. Loop with step size JavaScript. But more than one, yeah. Oh, just do I+3. Very interesting. I+3, and then we're just gonna go. Right. I think we need I+2 here, right? So 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, no, it has to be 3. Um, that would be I plus equals 2. Interesting. Okay. So if we do plus equals 2, right? Go void C again, like spread, V and O. So it's giving me void C, so it's giving me V and O. All right, so loop through. Use IN plus minus indices. Okay, yeah, I got it. So basically, instead of that, we're doing this. Amazing. You're a genius, Aurora. Man, you just come in and solve problems left, right, and like center. Boom. Void C blue. How's that? We can even add some strings to it, right? Name plus that. Color plus that. All right, that should fix it for you, Void C. What's your favorite color, man? Not UI0. Right, yeah. Blue. All right. We enter blue, submit. Okay, let's even get rid of that for now. And let's zoom in so you can see. So Void C, blue, submit form. Boom. Name is Void C, color is blue. All right, let's add some. Let's make it easier to read. All right, there we go. Void C, blue, submit form. How is that, man? You are lost in the woods. I think we did it. I haven't done much with the year. I'm just getting basics. The basics done first. All right, but this fixes the issue, right? We got your. We're printing this thing in here. Yeah, cool. Let me see if we can. So, how did you say you do document jQuery? All right, okay. Let's quickly change that, and I'll just copy paste the code. Dollar enter ID here, name. Just that. All right, let's see if that still works. Aurora. I'm gonna assume your color is. Ooh, I don't know. I think your favorite color is red. Oh, that doesn't work. That does not work. I don't know how to use jQuery, man. I only know how to use. Thingy. It's just text. Ah, okay. I'm learning ES6, man. This is for Void C. Steadfast, study fast. Yeah. Aurora's color's red. Submit form. No, it still doesn't work. I don't know why it doesn't work. Oh, because I got name on both. Name, color. That doesn't make sense though. Void C, blue. Anyway, heading out to bed. 5 a.m. Yeah. Thanks, man. Thanks for coming on short notice. Appreciate your help, like a lot. Again, I appreciate all the help you given me too. So enjoy your rest of your night. Have a great sleep, and I'll catch you later on, man. Thanks for hanging out, boys. You hope that was helpful, bro. Do you want to copy paste the code anyway, or are you good? Because I'm gonna delete it. Copy paste. All right. Dun, dun, dun. I might add it here. Cool. Is that okay? Dollar name. If that doesn't work, let me get you the version that I know works. The regular version here. This one definitely works. Which is damn, I can't spell tonight. You've been coding for 14 hours, man. Makes sense. Okay, that's a very ugly. Let me add it in Discord. Where are we? Let me send it to you directly so it doesn't clutter the chat. There. Hmm. I don't know why it doesn't like it. I'm gonna try and figure that out, man. You got the code there. Cool. All right. So for study fast, I am learning plain vanilla JS right now. So I'm not doing any of the jQuery stuff. And here's what I'm doing. I'm building a game, and we're building whack-a-mole. We're almost done. Where's my game gone? Oh, I need to get rid of all of this. All right. Okay. Whoa, what's this? Oh, that's a different channel. Okay. Voidsy, I'm getting rid of your code, man. I'm gonna go back to my game here. Save that. Okay. Name dollar characterize clearer. Nice, nice. Okay, let's get rid of that. Okay, so here's where I'm at right now. Here's what I'm trying to do. Live server. Right, so we have this game. So we click start. Does one of those. And the most are popping now, you hit it. Does this. Does that. This might actually work, you know. I think the rounds are too long. Okay, so now it should get incrementally faster. Let's see if that works. Avoid using the plus for concat. Use template string instead. Even for regular JS. I have a bug though. You see how it keeps spinning? Ooh, it's getting faster. Is it getting faster? Yeah, we need to start. That's too slow, man. People can get bored. So we're gonna start off with initial speed. We're gonna set that to 5. I think 5 was easy, and because it's 5, I think we can also go down to 10 seconds now. All right, let's try that. Template literals, huh? I need to. Oh, what? I hit it. Okay, it's definitely much harder. Oh, 1. Okay, scored 1. Perfect. Should get more difficult. All right, 5. That's better. Oh, you see that? Oh, yes, it's work. Whoa. Soon we won't be able to hit it. Okay, cool. That was quick. Right. I need to show round as well on top. All right, that's one thing we need to add. Oh, no, it's so fast I can't hit it. I gotta hit at least one to move on. Okay. Now it's gonna be like God mode. Just preempt. Oh, I hit it. I hit it. Come on. Okay. That's right. Dude, he doesn't even peep. How am I gonna hit that? Yeah, that's it. And then it should now start at 0. That should now. Wait, it's not become 0? Yeah, nothing's gonna show up. Okay, so when nothing shows up, I need to make this 0. All right, cool. So we need to add a bunch of things. Um, we need to add. Actually, let's see if it tracked around or not. Oh, failed to load resource, whatever. Round. What round are we on? 5. Perfect. What's total score? 9. Cool. What's round score? Hopefully 0. Yes. All right. So everything we need is functional. Um, um, you see, the problem is I do not have a round thing. ID. Yeah, maybe somewhere here we can add a round text. P ID equals round, and round score is 0, round plus plus. Round score is 0, round plus plus. Yeah, round plus plus, and then we're gonna go document dot get. It's probably better to add it up here. I also need to get in the habit of using const instead of let. Let round. I already have round though, right? Round HTML. Document dot get element by ID. Round. And then round HTML is gonna go in here. Round HTML dot inner HTML equals round. All right, let's see. That should, in theory, add the round to it. Okay. Didn't? Hey, there we go. Round is up, showing up. Nice. Nice, nice. This should not be round 2, though. Okay, so there's a couple of things we need to still improve. Round plus plus. What does round start at? Round starts at 0. You start on round 1, right? That's what makes sense. No 0. Round 1, so that will be round 2. What we are gonna need to do though is so when you start the game, we want to do round 1. Hey, just woke up from home now. How's it going today? Hey, what's up, Zali? Welcome, man. We built a game. So give me 2 minutes. I just wanna add something. I'll show you how far we've come along. We made huge progress, man. A lot of progress. I'm excited to show you. We've done a lot. Random number. Okay, what do I need to do? I'm trying to do this, but this needs to happen. Hmm. Actually, it might just be fine. All right, we'll do a round. But do I have a display none? Okay, we'll use the hide hammer class. I can see you've done a lot. Wow. Yeah, we've done a lot, man. Where is it? So, but I want to hide it. It's gonna be the round HTML. Okay, by default, I want it hidden, right? Actually, this whatever. We'll just worry about this for now. Okay, let me show you, man. Here's what we got. Here is what we got. Okay, live server. Right, here's the game. So round, whatever you start. There's a sound countdown, and the most pop up when you can hit it, and there's a sound effect. It goes ow. uh, right, this is a bug. It shouldn't be popping out here. Round's done. Get ready for next round. There should now be round 2 to start. Okay, it's only given a 2. I don't want to replace the 2. That's what you built so far. There's still like minor bugs and tweaks we need to make, but yeah, it's pretty cool right now. All right. So, what's something we just learned? We just learned that this right here should be doing. Have embedded songs with a little effects. Nope. Okay. Round is plus that. Okay, that should take care of that. Plus boom. I should really hide it, man. I shouldn't be. Sockrum. Who's that on your profile picture? Which profile picture? What are you talking about? On Twitch? Okay, let's see. What part of the curriculum are you on? So where am I at? I haven't even logged into that in a bit, man. Let me show you that. So we just finished JavaScript data structure bit. Took me, I don't even know how long it took me. 29 days to finish the whole. So did this first month, right? All of that. Build a bunch of projects. I didn't build out the portfolio because I wanted to wait until I had more JavaScript experience. Because then I'm gonna build. I need to build one out anyway. Might as well wait until I have more skills. So I'm gonna go back and build it, and then we spend about a month on this. Finish the projects. So once we finish that, we've just been building different projects since then. Um, yeah, we built a rock paper scissors. Yeah, let me show you. We built a few projects, man. So we built Whack-A-Mole is what we're on now. We started off with rock paper scissors, did an etch a sketch, and right now we're on Whack-A-Mole. So rock paper scissors were very simple. That took me so long to build, but like just looking back now, that was one of the most simple games I built. Well, I've only built 3 projects, 3 in progress, right? But yeah, rock paper scissors gives you that computer choice, your choice. So if I select rock, computer selects paper, computer wins, right? Keep going until I'm just gonna click rock so I can end this game. Hey, victory, you won. You can play again. That was the first thing we built, and the second thing, um, I should be doing this literally in a data structures class right now in college, and I'm procrastinating. Oh, the rock paper scissors, man! If you want my code, run with it. It's all up on my GitHub. If you want it, just customize it for your thing. So funny. And then we did this. This one was really cool. It was a lot of fun. Learned a bunch on this one. So basically, it's an etch a sketch. You can hover over it to like add colors. Select black, it adds a black color. RGB adds like all these red, green, blues. You can choose your custom colors. So, for example, let's say I really want green. You can do that, and then you can change the size of the grid by doing this. Yeah, this one was fun. This is actually quite fun to play with. I added this one. Waste of money. Go do your work. Yeah. If it helps, like someone else said, like they'll just watch my stream because they know I'm coding. Have it open in a second window, because then at least you feel accountable. If that helps, man, feel free. Now I'm making find the wampus. Okay, thank you. All right, man. Yeah, that's what we're doing, bro. So we did that. Again, we finished off the thing. We're now building a bunch of programs. I think. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Okay, here's the notes. Right, here's what I'm doing. If you're really interested, here's what I'm learning code. I'm learning code for two things. One, start my own startup. That's the 80% of the objective. Start my own company. I see what we're doing right now. Sick. If that doesn't work, then obviously get a dev job. Went through the free code camp curriculum. Started going for the JavaScript 30, but I'm actually combining a bunch of those into one. So it's teaching a bunch of stuff in here, right? I haven't actually watched the course. I was just looking at. So this one you can press and add some stuff, sound. There's something about local storage in here, and some other cool stuff. I don't know. I might go for it, but right now I don't think so. So I went straight to Whack-A-Mole, and I'm customizing that to include all the other stuff. That's the second thing. I started building some Odin Project JS as well, which Sketch Edge actually came from this one. Reading this in the background, and then we're going to finish off the free code camp. Free code camp. Man, I can't even think. The front end library stuff. After that, we'll then start building some real projects. In terms of Odin projects, I think I'm gonna build a calculator next. So once we finish off Whack-A-Mole, yeah, gonna build a calculator, and then yeah, it's not very responsive. You see how it comes out. Okay, cool, very cool. All right. So what do we need to do? Okay, I think the round got fixed, right? I'm gonna mute the sound because I think it's fun, but it gets distracting if you're not playing the game for the first time. Wait, it didn't have the brownies one in there. Round two. Okay, cool. So the problem is it needs to do it at the end of the round and not here. So it needs to do that before we call next round. When's next round called? Next round. It's called here, right? So we're gonna do that. I should probably just hard code this. Round equals 1 straight in here. Because it's never going to change from that, right? It's always going to start a round. Oh no, it won't. Maybe not. Maybe at start game. Maybe start game will add it. Round equals round. I don't know if that's going to break it. Yeah. What are you up to today, Zali? What are you working on? Did you figure out the other stuff you were working on the other day? Round one. Perfect. You were compiling something? It was something complicated. That's all I know. I'm starting my first big project. Oh yeah, what are you working on? Oh, so fast. Ten round 2. All right, bro. This game is looking sick now. If you told me I could build this like 6 weeks ago, I wouldn't even have a clue where to start. So we're making progress. Okay, it's getting faster and faster, which is also good. I'm working on design right now, but it's taking forever. I'm basically making a blog, but it's gonna take a lot of work to do it. I guess I'm not using any pre-built things, just everything from scratch. Are you building your own blog? Interesting. Oh yeah, I think we spoke about it already. All right, let's see. Got 15. See, this is the bug I need to get rid of. It needs to remove the animation if the round is over. Right, round 16. Ooh. Oh man, so fast. I say I've lost. It should now start from 0. Didn't. Yeah, nothing should come up because that's the end of the game. All right, okay. All right. So the round is working. Yeah, I think we're gonna go here. If round is 0, do that. Else, so if it isn't, then um what do you say? I was doing both the project. I'm working on design. Besides that, I've been doing the admin of code. Oh, nice. Have you guys worked on VHDL? I don't even know what VHDL is. Are you going to add a finished game screen? Yes. So, okay, here's the plan. Here's what we need to do, right? Here's the to-do list. So we've done most of the stuff today. So, okay, so this is actually done. Add score to the page plus the level. This is also done now, right? Cool. Right. The next thing now is to build local storage. That's the next beast we're gonna tackle. Build local storage, and then yeah, it's gonna do an end game. Here's your score. Enter your name, whatever name, and then it's gonna put a boom on the side. That's the plan. Uh, you're getting way into this. Are you to monetize Whack-A-Mole? Hey, if people are willing to pay me, let's go. Let's do this. Nah, man, I'm just enjoying learning the whole thing. Because everything I build on this thing, I'm pointing at my screen, but obviously you can't see my screen. I should use my mouse. So everything I'm doing on the screen here, everything here has been new. Like today is the first time I learned about. Today's the first time I learned about using sounds and all that good stuff. Capitalist pig, man, that should be a hat. I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna rock that hat. A capitalist pig hat. That's pretty funny. It's gonna cost 10 cents to play a game. That'd be pretty hilarious, man. Yeah, I think we're just gonna do local storage next, and then it's probably like, oh wow, I don't even know what that is. What cartoon is that? Capitalist bacon? Is that a cartoon? Hopefully, I don't get DMCA'd, man. Capitalist bacon. Capitalist pig. You said right? It's funny. No? Look up the memes. Oh, it's not big. Is this capitalist pig? He's gone from how do I write a function again to making a full over. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I mean, you guys helped a lot, man. Even on this code, honestly, it's not my code. Everyone's helping me out, pointing me in the right direction. So I'll find it. All right. Oh, man, I still go, how do you write a function every 5 seconds? I'm still looking up stuff. Okay. All right. Let's not procrastinate any longer, and let's build a local storage. Let's do this. We got this. JavaScript, complete guide to local storage in JavaScript. It's kind of not safe for work. Yeah, I mean, we're all adults here, right? Oh, we gotta do set item, get item. Oh my god, we gotta do all of this. Oh no, there are five methods to choose from. We're gonna choose the easiest one because oh, we need to create an object. Look at that. This is gonna be fun. I haven't played around with objects since day number whatever was from free code camp. Stories undefined code for notations. Oh boy, it's gonna be fun. Is Bo in the chat? Because Bo, yeah, send me the link, Marble. We'll watch. That's the capitalist pig one, right? Okay. You can push whatever data into local storage. Should be fun. All right. I don't even know what local storage is. Well, I know what local storage is. Like it's the what's it called? Like a cache or something. I think. But how do I use it though? The browser cache, right? Ren and Stimpy. Ren and Stimpy. Oh, I see. Dun, dun, why is my search so slow? Ren and Stimpy capitalist pig. There you go. American Imperative. Oh, this one?
Capitalist pig.
Okay, I don't have any context for that, but it's pretty funny.
Capitalist pig.
Maybe I should build a game where you can win money and then this is the reward. He keeps giving that.
Capitalist pig.
Oh, it's just a meme. Okay. FI. I don't know which is the one that you sent me. Let's open this one up. It's probably more than 2 seconds.
We made it. Mission complete. The Soviet Socialist Republic first in space.
First in
Yes.
space.
USA.
Oh, they're Russians. Business Blaze on YouTube. I'd recommend it. Okay. Hang on. Read the first line. All right. Oh, okay. To all the capitalist pig. Wait, what? Oh, capitalist pig was a comic strip which appeared briefly in The Sheaf during 0506 and is best known for a controversial installment depicting Jesus Christ performing Falashi on the cartoon pig. Oh wow, you weren't kidding when he said it's not safe for work. Oh my god, Ren and Stimpy is such a. Why have I never seen this? How have I never seen this? I might have to go watch some reruns.
Say, I bet they have plenty of fuel. I've got a plan. One more time. You take the hose, stick it in the fuel tank, and I'll suck out the gas. Got it? Da.
Comments are turned off. Septic tank? Come on, man.
Fine work, Conrad Stinsky. Their ship must run on manure.
Russian, dog.
Capital is pig.
Back off, man.
Okay, I see.
Stinking
I see where it's
hypocrite.
from.
You'll never take me alive. Remember the Alamo.
Okay. I remember that one. That's funny. All right. Did not realize. Did not realize what? How rude it is. It's pretty funny to be honest. Depends on the humor. All right. Okay. I've been procrastinating on this one for the longest time because I knew it was gonna be hard. But this is the only thing left now, and our game will be complete. Minus the handful of bugs, right? We got everything done. We got everything done from the list here. Minus these two bugs. Yeah, there's another bug too. Once the round ends, the moles continue to show. These need to disappear. Maybe not disappear, but new ones shouldn't show, right? New ones shouldn't show. Okay. All right, what are we doing here? Local Store is a type of web story that allows JavaScript sites and apps to store and access data right in the browser. This means that data storage will persist even after the browser has been closed. How to use local storage? You need okay. Set item. Just the name applies. This method allows you to store values in local storage object. It takes two parameters, a key and a value. These can be referenced later to fetch a local storage. Okay. Where name is the key. Stuff. Where name is the key and Obaseki-no-sa is the value. Also note that local storage can only store strings. Can only store strings. Okay, that sucks because I need to store a number. To store arrays or objects, you would have to convert them to strings. There we go. To do this, we use the JSON.stringify method before passing to set item. Const person equals name location. Okay. The get item method allows you to access data stored in the browser's thing. It accepts one parameter, the key, and returns the value. To retrieve the user key above, window, the local storage, the get item is user. This returns a string with the value as name, location. To use this value, you would have to convert it back to an object. To do this, we make use of JSON the parse, which converts JSON's JavaScript object. When pass the key and remove the key. Yeah, I don't really need to remove right now. This method, when invoked, clears the entire storage of all records. It does not receive any parameters. The key method comes in handy in situations where you need to loop through keys. To be sure the browser supports this thing, check the following code. Limitations is as easy as it is to use local storage. You also misuse it. The following are limitations also is not to use local storage. Do not store sensitive user information. Sure. It is not a substitute for server-based database. Sure. Limited to 5 MB is quite insecure. Whatever. Doesn't really matter. Okay, that doesn't actually look that complicated. There's just a couple of things we need to. One, we need to store it, or we need to set it, and second, we need to get it. And once we get it, we need to show that on a page somehow. We need to somehow show that on the page. As to how we show on the page, I have no idea. All right, so at what point do we have all right, so okay, here's what we need to do, right? We need to add the oh crap, we need the name too. Add on name. What's this? Um okay, that means we need to get someone's name, bro. We need to get someone's name. We need to ask for the person's name. Now I could get all fancy and ask for it using an input field, but I really can't be bothered to do that for this. I think I'm just gonna use an alert box. I think you can ask for things from alert boxes. Alright, so we need to add name, round, and score to local storage, right? And then get the info and display it on the page somewhere. We're gonna display on the page somewhere. So first thing, add a name. Okay, let's request a name. When would you request a name? You would request a name when the game finishes, right? We want to do it at the end. And when does the game finish? The game finishes when the round score is greater than 0. That's not. When round score is here. We also need to do this. Let's do set item. Window dot local storage dot set item. Do you know what? I'm gonna run a different function for that. This one is just gonna ask for name, and once we have the name, we'll then run a different function. Function add to local storage, and this one's gonna do the local storage magic. Window set item. Let's say player name. Right. Do you know what? Do you know what? Let's just build it, man. Let's just build an input field. Why not? It's getting very complicated here. But I feel like this is the 80-20. This is the remaining 20, which is going to take 80% of the time. But I think it's going to be worth it. One. Do you know what we can do? Okay, I just thought of something. We're gonna separate it out completely. So we're gonna have an end game function, right? And that's gonna do a bunch of stuff. So what it's gonna do is hide all of the elements on the page. I'm just making a note here. Show the input fields. And once the it's probably a good idea to write a different function for setting and receiving data, so anybody can't see. Right. True. That's a good point. So endgame is going to show the input fields, and then on form submit, we're going to run add to local storage, right? And that's probably going to take in some variables. Okay, it's going to take in player name. We're going to create some variables. I think player name, round, total score. And the round and total score should already be there from total score round. We just need our player name. Yeah, okay, cool. Right. So what we're gonna need then, where's the thing gonna go, right? What's our page looking like? I think we just hide. Yeah, we hide the start. We hide all of that. Do I have a display none thing? Hide hammer. Hide hammer. It probably makes sense to make a hide element actually. Okay, perfect. So we're going to rename it to hide element, and then we're going to hide. We can hide game. Yeah, we're just going to hide game. Keep it simple. Section. So this one's going to have a class of hidden hide element by default, and then we're just going to toggle that. This one's going to have an input. I forget how you add an input now. I haven't done input since day number 4 of HTML. Input field. It's weird, I'm more comfortable with JavaScript than HTML now. Input field, HTML. Type equals name, right? Type equals text. Button check was color, date, email, file, image. Type is text, there we go. Input. Okay. Okay, it's right at the bottom here, which is weird, but that's fine. Okay, so I'm not gonna do that for now. Okay, hide element, placeholder text. How do I add placeholder? I think I just go HTML, hide element class, placeholder. What's your name? Kalfi, what's going on? How you learn now? What do you mean? I don't understand the question. How do I learn? Right now? I don't get it, bro. You mean what have I used to learn or what am I learning now? Then I can answer that question. How do you add placeholder to it? Input field, placeholder. Placeholder attribute. Yeah, placeholder equals. Isn't that what I did? Placeholder. Hey, look at that. I added to the section. Isn't that clever, hey? Sorry, my English is so bad. Okay, no worries. I think you're asking me how I'm learning. I'm learning on Free Code Camp. I went through that, went through the JavaScript section, and then now I'm just building different projects. So right now, we're building Whack-A-Mole, and this way here right now. Okay, we have a bug. What's going on? Why is the click not working? I just broke something, guys. What did I break? Oh, because hide element isn't active. We good, we back, we fixed it. So right now we're building this, where you can whack them all. It's a fun little game. But yeah, all my notes are here. The notes should be in the channel description if you want to take a peek what I'm doing, the things I've done, all the notes I've taken if that helps. But yeah, that's what we did. Does that answer your question? Yeah, I'm using Free Code Camp, by the way. That's why, if you didn't know. Oh yeah, placeholder wasn't working. Don't know why the placeholder. Enter your name. Actually, it is working. All right, we are good. So let's just make it look pretty. ID equals name input. Name input, we're gonna give it a padding of 10 pixels all around. Oh yeah. Position. Height is gonna be negative 50. Oh, what I do? Position. Wait, what? That didn't work. You work in front of it so far? Yeah. I mean, all I know is a little bit of HTML, a little bit of CSS, and however much JavaScript you can learn in 34 days. That's all I know. Text align center. Dude, why isn't it working? We just set it a margin. Margin top. Oh, that's what I was doing wrong. Okay, doesn't want to work. Position. I think I might have to do one of these. Also, it probably helps if I just move this, so I don't have to worry about any of that. So if I just take this input, just delete, and add it right here. I actually want to add it below the button. Let's get rid of that. Somewhere here. Cool. Very cool. Enter your name. Submit button. Yep, gonna do submit. Hide element. So by default, it's gonna be hidden. Name input, submit button. We're just gonna go. Let name input equals document dot get element by ID name input, and we do the same thing for submit button. Right, so we have two of those, and then what we want to do is when it's endgame, we just want to run the endgame function right here. Okay, and when it runs that, it's going to hide all of the elements. So I might do an if, it might be easy. If document.query selector all. How are we going to do this? Okay, maybe separate these out into in a separate div right there. Two element in ID. Do I? Oh crap! You're right. Sorry. Yeah. Good catch. That was meant to be. That was meant to be class. Great catch, man. Thanks. Yeah. You're right. Okay, that looks ugly, man. What the hell is that? So what we're gonna do? We're gonna put that inside a div, and this is gonna be the local ID equals local storage data. Local storage input probably makes sense. Margin. So what happened here? Now I can go away to local storage input. doesn't like that, huh? With, let's just say 50%. Because of that. Local storage input. What is local storage? You see what the problem is? The problem is this isn't meant to be a closing div. That's the problem. Right here, that's the problem. Okay, that should now work. There we go. There we go. Margin. Let's try that again. Margin is 0. So, what design pattern you use to control the action in a game? Design pattern? I don't know what you mean by design pattern. So this is, I think, okay. This is using CSS grid, if that makes sense, and everything is just JavaScript. Design pattern, I have no idea what that means. There's the code, bunch of stuff, and a bunch of functions. So functional design? I don't know, man. I don't know if that answers the question. All right, okay, so we got this thing in the middle, which is great. Funfighter3, thanks for the follow. How's it going? Congrats, you made it. Enter your name. Congratulations, you made. Congrats. You're invited to the special. I don't know. It's a special club. Enter your name. Enter your name here. Something like that. Right. Yeah, that will do. That will do nicely for now. I do need to add this class to this one here too. Right, and we'll just hide it from the page for now. Display none. There we go. And what am I looking to do? I am looking to do I think I can just hide the start button and hide these things here, right? All of that should be under ID's game or game container one. Game or game container one. I don't know, explain sure, but you can use observer state design patterns to control the best state. Observer patterns, huh? What is that? Observer patterns in JavaScript. That looks complicated. In an MVC implementation, you can make the model observable and view. Is this the way of writing code? Okay, do you know what? I might actually That might be something to do once the project is complete, because I have no idea what that means. I've never written it that way. So once it's built, maybe we could add it as part of the refactorization of code, and we could look into doing all the cool jazz. What you call it? You called it observer design patterns. Cool, man. We will look at that. Not right now. For now, we have a game, just somewhat functional. Okay. I forget what I was doing now. We were writing the endgame function, right? Yeah, right here. Endgame. If document query selector all, that might be we just hide it. We just need to hide two things. Name input, submit button. So name input dot add dot class list dot toggle hide element, and we're also gonna hide. I'm from Brazil and I watch a channel with a man in Portuguese called Felipe the Champs, and this plan explains this pattern in his games. All right, does he speak Spanish? I think Brazilians speak Spanish, right? Or Portuguese? If he speaks English, I'll check it out. Actually, yeah, Portuguese. You said it right there. What was that? Yeah, I don't understand Portuguese though, so I couldn't understand that. But I will look into it for sure. Sounds like something I should learn. More color, console, random mode speed, event listener. If more classes contain Scalifi, thank you for the follow, man. Appreciate it. We might be able to just do this, just instead of doing it one by one. Let's just see. If instead of more, can I just do a document the class list does not contain hide? I don't know. Is that even a thing? Can we do this? If it does not contain it, I have no idea if this is gonna work. Let's try it. So we have a start game. I'm not gonna touch anything because then that should run the endgame function. We should hopefully remove everything. Okay, it didn't. Alright, well it's not working as I thought it would. Else run endgame. That's weird. Oh, that's weird that it's not going in there, man. Console log. Oh, I need to open the console for that. Okay, we got the problem. Contains. Yeah, we can't do a contains thing. All right, okay. So what we're gonna do instead is, yeah, we just go by the first idea we had, which was start button, the toggle, name input, submit button. Something like that. Unexpected thing on 86. Alright, what are we missing? What is that? Why is it? Why are you there, bro? Oh, because I had an if statement earlier. Okay, that makes sense. Alright, we're gonna start the game. We're gonna do nothing and see if it hides. Boom! There we go. Perfect. Alright, that's exactly what we want. But we also need to hide this go thing here. Wait, what? Game's still going? Oh, it's hiding it straight away. That's not what we want. Should only do that. Oh man, because we start off at 1, right? Yeah, I think it used to be greater than 1. Actually, that should fix that. Refresh, start game. Alright, we're round 1. Although round 1 takes away my thing. That should not be coming this early, bro. Alright, what are we doing wrong? What is round score? We start off as round score is 0. That's fine. Round is 1, right? Using. I should use var. Because let you have one context. What about the const? But const has changed, right? I feel like we shouldn't be using var. Alright, let's see. Wait, also why does it start off with me having this thing? I don't want this. We broke something, guys. We just broke something. Hammer image. Oh, hide hammer's gone. Hide element is the one we want. Okay, that should fix the ham problem. Var and cons was the difference. Okay, let's take a peek. Allowed to show any few things. Globally. Okay. times is greater than 3 tricks. Um, yeah, but everyone's telling me to use let, right? They're not saying to. Let is the preferred way. Kosan, what's up, man? Yes, please, as in use let. What's going on, man? What is going on? I'm doing something wrong here, though. What am I doing wrong? The issue is that this thing calls straight away. You shouldn't be getting into this because it should only be getting into this if the score is above 1. Your variable in a function. I mean, you mean you want to add? I think I know what I'm doing wrong. I think this needs to be a separate thing. I've just added everything in here. That just needs to be a pop out. Yeah, I shouldn't be adding all of that in there. I think that needs to go inside next round. Let's do that. Let's run next round here. Right, so what this should do is set interval, Once it goes through all of that, should do a set timeout, do next round. Then next round does speed, duh. Yeah, if round is Can I access round score? It's a global variable, right? Hopefully I can access that. If round score is greater than 1, meaning I've hit the thing at least once. Round plus round, speed minus round score, reassign round score to 0. Round plus, right? If it is not, meaning it must be 0, console log endgame, right? And then endgame will then ask for a bunch of this stuff. All right, let's see if that makes sense. In my head it makes sense, but let's see. Let is scope to a function. Oh, is that the problem? So that's why I have to use var. Let is block scope. Is that what it means? Oh yeah. So if I bring this back, it should be fine. If I bring back this thing. Let's see. I didn't know that. What about const? Is const also... Yeah, look at that. Why are you running straight away now? Bar is global. Functions render the first let. Bar sucks when people name vari because X Y is stupid stuff. That gets used for iterations. Scenario loops are wrecked. Okay. Makes sense. But I just broke something here though. Next round. Next round should only run if the score is... Alright, let's see the log here. Whoa, what's that? Look at that. It actually it's giving me are we there yet already, which is yeah, that's fine. The starting run is 5. So what am I console log in here? Console log speed. Yeah, let's give it some names here. Mo speed equals starting round equals are we here yet? Okay. I'm missing something after 32. Ah, okay. See, this one here shouldn't show up until the end. That's the problem. Okay, there yet. End game. So it didn't run that until the end, which is good. And the end game function, it needs to check. Do I need to do this check there again? I've already done it right. Else meaning it has to be, well, it could be 0 in this case. Okay, I'm just gonna start the loop. I'm gonna do nothing. Hey, what's up, Voidsy? Good, man, good. We're making progress. How about you? How's your game coming along? If this doesn't repeat, yes. That's what I needed. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That's exactly what I needed. So if the round is that, right? If it's greater than 0, keep doing that. Else, oh, we're gonna need some more logic though. I just spent 45 minutes figuring out how to do a line break. Welcome to the club, man. I think I just spent 2 hours trying to figure out what a var and a let is. So, beginner struggles, man. Okay, so it's doing what I wanted to do, which is fantastic. Now I need to think about when do I want it to add to local storage. What's round score? 0, right? When the next round starts. I don't think so. Because okay, let's say you play the game and it needs to do when the game ends, right? Because that's the maximum you achieved, and then when the game ends, we'll then add your stuff to the database, to the local storage. So it should be at the end of the game. And what's true? So what is true at the end of the game is the round score is going to be 0. Because the only thing that defines end game right now is you didn't hit a single mole, and the single mole not being hit. Yeah, okay. Is 0, right? So if I just do this, let's run again. So if I just leave it at 0, it should hide everything and show the pop-up. Because I didn't hit a thing. Oh, should it? So you have infinite rounds until you don't hit a mole? No. If you don't hit a mole, you're out of the game. Actually, the code from earlier might have been okay. Because, yeah, what will be the minimum time of my game? It runs 10 seconds per thing. Let's see. Yeah. So each round is 10 seconds, and then you play again until until you can't hit the thing. And I'm assuming people can't hit it by the time they do 5 rounds because it goes so fast. But like other than that, there will be another round. Yeah, yeah, until you can't hit anything. So okay, first out of the game, right? Let's go 3, 2, 1. So we're in round 1 now, and I hit a mole. That qualifies me for the second round. So if you notice right now, it says round 1. Right, let me hit it a couple more times. So now, okay, get ready for the next round. I need to I actually need to automate this. If I click start, when it goes to 1, it should now be round 2 up here. Oh, that stopped updating. Okay, I messed something else up. That was working earlier, so I must have broken it somehow when I was doing something. Yeah, round isn't updating. Why is it not updating? It's because I put it in all of this. Oh, I understand now. Okay. But I broke something though. I did something. I broken the game. I have broken the game. You should save state of round. You should save the state of round start game. And add more one when guy clicking star. Okay. You can have an F7 without the else. True, 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 true. Yeah, that is also true. Let's see what the problem is. 145. Oh, that might just be the problem. Okay, let's try again. All right, 3, 2, 1. Game's back up. Yeah, that's the problem. It needs to wait. The reason this happens right now is because here's what I've done, right? I've said, hey, if round is 0, if round score is 0, so what I need to do is round score is whatever. I think I need a playing score too. Yeah, let's not do that. Let's do player round score. Player round score, right? That's also going to be player round score. Okay. So it's going to be player round score. And we need to do a var, right? Because I need to access it outside. Console logs different if you know value. Yep, that is true. So we need a star round score. So that's why, okay, got it, da-da-da. So what I need to do is basically to stop doing that. Is a player round score is that, but player, am I updating the player round score? So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to set a starting round score so that it doesn't look for, it only looks for player. Yeah, see, this thing here is looking for a starting round score, right? If player round score is 0, should be doing that, which is right here. Console the log player. All right, let's try again. Danavian, what's going on, man? I haven't spoken to you in a long time. What's good? What if you start at round 1 and then the game is over and you run with a 0? Yeah, that is also true. 78. Player round score is not defined. 78. But I named it var, man. Why is it not undefined? Does it think it's like a string or something? Man, it's like 5:40 in the morning. My brain's dead. Feel like I might just need to sleep on this and come back. We made a lot of progress today. We went through a lot. The only thing now left is this final piece. Problem here is this. Oh, round sore. I spelled it wrong. 78. That's the problem. Alright, let's try again. Still not the final. What do you mean? Oh, I need a capital S maybe? I was buried deep in my final project from I got it done in last Sunday night. I've been enjoying some downtime. Nice. Starting to work on the web page for then, but I'd like to be able to have a web page where people can go in. Oh yeah, 100%, man. If I could also wait, what was the game again? It was Bomb, right? Are you gonna have it? Are you gonna make it like paid service, or do you want it to be open source? Wait, Denebot is still. I know it's in the chat. Oh, it's not in the chat anymore. What happened? Normally it's in there as a moderator. You've been tweaking, man. It's dead. Okay. Oh crap! Didn't work. 78. Player run score is 0. But if it's actually, if it's equal to 0, that's fine, right? Then that's fine. So let's try again. So I think that's actually doing what it needs to do. So if we actually hit them all, it shouldn't show me that. Let's see. What? Showing that straight away? What the heck? Oh, come on, man. Why are you doing that? Well, actually, it starts off as 0, so yeah, that logic doesn't make sense. That logic does not make sense. But it should, because I shouldn't be initializing this to. Yeah, let's do that. Test success. Still doing that, man. Why is it doing that? Okay, let's try it. Nope, I spelled that wrong. Boom, blue, green, green. There's a vacancy, isn't it? I'm sure there's a vacancy. Yes, successful, man. That's the first time I've done successful in a long time. I also added this game. I don't know if you heard intervene for that. It's some third-party game. If you type in drop, you can. This is all funny to me. JavaScript turned 25 and 18 years ago. I had to justify to management that I was mixing JS and HTML like it was some fake language. Wait, you've been doing JavaScript for 18 years? Ooh, almost landed. Type in exclamation drop. Yeah, there you go. Voidsy, you might just land. Oh, close, man. Close. Yeah, it's completely random. Sometimes it just falls straight down the screen. The highest anyone's ever gotten is 96. You're not going to make that interview. You're going to go outside too. I don't know what bits is. You get points. I don't know if you get bits. What's bits? That's channel points? Maybe I should make it into channel points, huh? I have no idea how to do that. You get points, but it doesn't count towards anything. It just counts towards like, hey, I've got points. But maybe I can connect it to the thing. I don't think you can give channel points. Okay. Gotcha. You get points. We need that to reset. We'll try again. I don't think it lets you do that straight away. Yeah, that thing has to reset. There's like a 60-second delay. Okay, there you go. So now if you do it again, be in a completely different position. Where it should. There you go. Now it's in the middle, and yeah. Different speeds, different whatever. Oh, so close. Good luck, guys. Vidsy just might make it, you know? If you hit in return in time. Nope. Next time. Alright, what are we doing wrong here? 78. I mean, round score is now nothing. Like, prayer score is nothing. I've also console logging the player score too. It's 0. Why is it 0? I want to see the day when we get like 100 people saying, "Oh, me too, man. Can't wait." Imagine that. 100 people playing that game would be insane. Dude, why is it still doing that? I don't understand. I don't understand, guys. What the? What? You make no sense. Okay, so actually, where do we call endgame again? Maybe we need to just backtrack. Okay, we call endgame here when it goes next round. Function next round. Oh, look at that. It's because I reset to it to 0. Of course it's gonna be 0, man. Okay, that's what the problem. That's why it doesn't work. So I had to rethink this. Do I need to? Okay, I don't think I should be resetting it here. It should be reset when the game restarts, right? That way we can fix that. So if we do this now and run, it shouldn't do it because it doesn't pass the test. There you go. Fantastic. And then when the start game happens, we'll reset to 0 again. Right, somewhere here. And then, yeah, that should be good now. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I'm not going to do anything. And then that's the first step. And we test again with doing something. Okay, cool. That's perfect, right? Actually, that should have ended the game. That should have ended the game. What is the player round score right now? Player round score is undefined. Fantastic. Why are you undefined? Should be 1. We may have to do some more things. So when can it be round 0, right? It's calling it too fast is the problem. This thing is calling it too fast. The round 0 being 0 is okay. The problem is we're calling actually So let's move in here. Wait, wait. What? Oh, it's because the whole thing isn't anonymous. Great. That's why it doesn't work. Okay, so round score starts off at 1. Gonna go through round 1. 79 is 0 already. Why is 79 0? What's 79? Player round score is 0 already. Look at that. Okay. All right, that might just work. Let's try. Okay, 1. Am I calling endgame at the wrong place? Where's endgame? Endgame is called in the next round. All right, when's the next round called? Next round is called pop out. Boom, boom. Maybe it should be called there. Okay, I'm not gonna hit anything. So that's what we needed to do, man. That is all we needed to do. I think we fixed it. Okay, I was calling it the wrong place. So that means what I also need to do is I need to make this an empty string. Well played. Get ready for the next round. We need some if rules, bro. We need some if rules in here. So function set timeout. Da 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 da. And then if player round score. Yeah, if player round score is greater than 0, then run next round. Else else can be an empty string, and it should run endgame. Does that make sense? Oh, I see. So I'm not going to do anything. And then, all right. So speed is 0. The round score should be 0, and it should all just end. Perfect. Right. Refresh. This time I'm going to hit some moles. It should take me to round 2. Okay. All right. We hit this one. We hit that one. Oh man, I missed that one. Boom. Boop, boom. Boom, look at that. Now if I click this, it should give me round 2. Boom. Okay. Yo, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. I almost gave up, man. I was going to go sleep. But glad we stuck through. Glad we stuck through it, because I hit 1, right? Okay, so now if I don't hit 1, let's see if it resets. and it should just ask me to enter my name. If that works, yeah, I'm gonna call it a day and then go sleep. Because then after that, we got everything working. Boom! It's asked me for name. Amazing. All right, cool. So we got the name thing working. So the only thing we need to do tomorrow is when you enter your name here, you do submit. On submit, it should take your name, put it into local storage alongside your round number and your total score, because we should have a round number here. A round should be round 3. Oh yeah, because we have so we've got round score. We should have a total score, right? So we've got round, we've got total score. We're gonna have name that's gonna come in from this input field. So whatever that name's gonna be, and we're gonna take those 3 things, add it to local storage, and then get it from local storage and display on the page somewhere on the right. Yeah, that's what we need to do. And once that is done, there's a bunch of the small little bugs we need to fix. And then this project is almost done. Use session storage. What's the difference between session and local storage? Because local storage means you can come back like, I don't know, 2 days later and still play, right? You still have your high score there. Boomer, use a cookie. Data is lost when you close tab in session storage. Right, okay. Yeah, I'd like it to retain it when you come back, unless you clear your cache and cookies. I'd like the game to continue. What are you using to learn JavaScript? Great question. Man, I can't bother to show my notes. Free code. I'm just gonna type it in. freecodecamp.org. That's one I'm using. The second one I've also referenced is the odinproject.com, I think. Let's see, is it .com? Yeah. I'm supplementing it with this one as well on the same side. Those 2, and these notes are in the. Here, let me just send you a link. That should also work. These are all my stream notes. There's all the resources towards the bottom. Right here, cool tools and resources you can check out. If you go to JavaScript, there's detailed notes from my learning so far. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff in there. These are things I'm currently doing, and this is the plan until Q1 2021. Is do all of this. That's the plan. All right, we have a functioning game. Son, I don't think you've heard the game, man. Let me show you the proper game with the sound and everything. Unmute site. I don't think you were here, right? I don't think you were here for the sound bit. Let me hear you. My end goal is twofold. Startup. That's 80% of my motivation, and then 20% is dev job. Yeah, I don't think. Okay. All right. Let me pause the music so you can hear the hear the stuff. So basically, when you click start, it should give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown, right? All right. Here we go. And then when you hit it, wait. Oh crap. Dude, it's going so fast. Should do one of those. Basically, it's just that. It just does a ow and spins in red. And it gets faster and faster each round. Ooh, see that? I also wanted to add like a background game music, but couldn't find one that was good. Oh, I missed. I'm using the trackpad. I think it's harder. Oh, so fast. It's getting faster and faster now. All right. Oh, dude, I went for it. Come on. I hit it. It dragged. Doesn't count if it dragged. That's a bug. Yeah. See how I didn't hit anything. So now the game ends, and then I enter my name. Hopefully by tomorrow, and then it's gonna store it to local storage. Um, yeah, man. Like I learned so much building this project. I might play around with the CSS and stuff tomorrow. Maybe also change the name or something. I mean, change the text here. But yeah, okay. We have a functioning game. We got everything we need. Now the only thing left is to build local storage. And then yeah. I might take an hour break, and then if I can't sleep, I might do some work. Otherwise, yeah, that is all. I answered the question about my end goal. Yeah, that's the plan. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging around. Is there? I think we should rate someone. Who do you watch? Who's on right now? Let's see. Let's go support someone. It's like 7 a.m. I don't know who's on at 7 a.m. my time. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you, man. Look forward to having you. It's the advent of code. Let's go to Science and Tech, see who's up. Let's go to a channel that doesn't have that much viewers, but also speaks English. Last time we went to a German speaking one and everyone was so confused. Do you know who Skyless is? No? Is he online now? Skylius. I don't think he's online. No, he's not online. Who is he? Python and Chill. Hey, I'm on here. Look at that. I'm on page 1. Very cool. She does lots of space and science. Interesting. Yeah, she's not on right now though. Ruby, Tarot Game. Trying to implement. I think that's Japanese. Let's go to this guy. This guy only has two people watching. He's doing the advent of code. His name is Live Coding. Wow, man. All right, we'll go check him out. I'll be back tomorrow.
We've done something nice.
Anyway, thanks for hanging out, guys. Appreciate the support. Appreciate the help. Making this entire journey fun. I keep saying that every time, but you guys do. Yeah, we're gonna rate this guy. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. 6, 8. One more person. Come on, who wants to raid? We got 12 people in the chat. Come on, let's go. Let's raid. Only 8, sure. 8 is better than none.
Those are the same size.
All right, catch you later.
They are the same size. If one was a different